Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC using Bluetooth. First, check that your personal computer has Bluetooth capabilities built in, or prepare an external adapter if one is needed. A fully charged controller ensures a smooth connection process from the very start. Taking these initial steps will save you time and frustration as we begin our setup. To put your controller into pairing mode, you will need to locate two specific buttons. Find the PlayStation button, which is the round one in the center, and the Share button, situated on the top left. Press and hold both of these buttons down simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds. The light bar on your controller will then start flashing rapidly, indicating it is ready to pair. Now, let's move to your personal computer's settings. Open the Start menu and search for Bluetooth and other device settings, then click to open it. From there, select Add Device and choose the Bluetooth option to begin searching for nearby devices. You should soon see Wireless Controller or DualShock 4 appear in the list, ready for you to select it. Once you see Wireless Controller or DualShock 4 in your personal computer's device list, simply click on it to complete the pairing. The light bar on your PS4 controller will then stop flashing and illuminate with a solid blue color. This solid blue light confirms that your controller is successfully connected and ready for use. Try navigating your desktop or launching a game to test its functionality. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. There are a few simple troubleshooting steps. Try restarting both your personal computer and your PS4 controller to refresh the connection. It is also wise to ensure your computer's Bluetooth drivers are completely up to date. As a last resort, consider connecting your controller initially with a wired USB cable to confirm it is fully functional before attempting wireless pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.